In this lesson, we'll show you how to find the shortest distance between two objects in a Navisworks scene. One easy way to find the shortest distance between two objects is simply to click first on one of the two objects. Every time you click on an object in Navisworks, the program automatically calculates the x, y, and z axis coordinates of the particular item. Likewise, if you left-click on a second item, it too will calculate the x, y, and z coordinates for that item. Because Navisworks can automatically calculate the spatial dimensions of any object in the program, it's fairly simple for it to calculate distances. So, in order to actually calculate the shortest distance, let's say between these two columns that I've been clicking on, that lie catty-corner to one another, Control-click to select both columns, and then from the Review tab, under the Measure panel, click Shortest Distance. Navisworks will calculate the shortest distance between the two objects and present it on the screen. You can now save this as a unique viewpoint by right-clicking in the Saved Viewpoints window and selecting Save Viewpoint. Once you have the shortest distance calculated and your viewpoint saved, you can make a number of markups or annotations. You can use the red line tool to highlight the value if that's important for your particular viewpoint, or you can use tags or comments, allowing you to explain verbally what the importance of this viewpoint is. In this case, we'll label this tag shortest distance. But be aware that you can leave any number of comments on a particular viewpoint, and they will not interfere with the rest of your model. Additionally, you can always press Clear under the Measure panel to get rid of the shortest distance annotation.